Rule number 2. Money measurement concept. Money measurement concept. Correct. Money measurement concept. Correct. Once again, I will come to the definition of financial transaction. Financial transaction are those transactions which affect the financial position of business. So can I say first point was related to business entity concept, and second point, can I say this must be expressed in terms of money, the money measurement concept. So what money measurement concept says, just try to understand everyone. As per this concept, as per this concept, only those transactions, only those transactions which can be expressed, which can be expressed in terms of money, in terms of money, money value, correct, which can be expressed in terms of money value will be recorded, will be recorded, correct. Have you understood this? Write down. Note. First let me write down, then I will explain. Note number 1. Money means money means local currency of the country, of the country in which books of accounts, books of accounts are prepared. Books of accounts are prepared. Means can I say if you are preparing books of accounts in India, you need to record all the transactions in rupees. Rupees become the local currency of India. Correct? Local currency of India. Understood? Yes, sir. So in which books of accounts are prepared? Now question arises, sir, in which country we will prepare our books of account? Write down. Point number 2. Books of accounts, books of accounts are prepared, are prepared in principal, in principal place of business, in principal place of business, in principal place of business, correct? Understood? Have you understood? Now for example, this is India, correct? India, and this is America. America. इंडिया में the local currency is rupees, and America the local currency is dollar. And suppose principal place of business is India. Principal place of business is India. Correct? Understood? The principal place of business is India. Have you understood this point? It means books of account will be prepared in India, and books of account will be prepared as per which currency? Rupees. Even though you have done transaction in dollar. For example, अभी राम के बारे में बात करते. राम या purchase goods from America in $10,000. In $10,000. Have you understood this example? Correct? Purchase goods from America in $10,000 means you purchase in dollar. But बता recording in the books of account will be done in dollar or rupees? ये बताओ. Purchase means Ram has purchased for Ram and Company. That I am not writing who has purchased for what business. Every transaction is for business only. So we purchase goods for business from America in $10,000. My question to you all, you record this transaction in rupees or dollar? बताओ. In rupees or dollar? You record this transaction in rupees or dollar? In rupees. So even though transaction is made in what? Foreign currency. So this is what? Foreign currency. Foreign currency. Then also recording will be done. Recording will be done in Indian currency. Indian currency. Correct? Now suppose, now you know $1, suppose $1 is equal to 70 rupees. I mean right now, when the transaction was done, then $1 was equal to 70. I think you all know कि the money has value. So $1 का value कितना? 70. It means we'll convert $10,000 into what? 7 lakh rupees. 7 lakh rupees, and the transaction will be recorded in what? Rupees. In rupees. Have you understood? So this transaction will be recorded in rupees. In rupees. So it must be expressed in terms of money value. When I am saying money value, so money means what? Local currency of the country in which books of account are prepared. Books कहाँ बनाते हैं? In the principal place of business. Understood? ये बात समझे? Any doubt? Any doubt? Have you understood this point? Yes, sir. So coming to one second this point, what they say, as per this concept, only those transactions which can be expressed in terms of money will be recorded. Let us take one example. एक example लेते हैं. Suppose Ram started a business. Now, what I was saying, everyone, Ram started a business, Ram and Company. Ram and Company. I am just taking this example so that you are with the example only, correct? And Ram appointed one manager, correct? Mr. Ravan, Mr. Ravan to run this business, to run this business, correct? Understood this point? Why Ram appointed a manager? Because Ram was not efficient or Ram may be busy for other activities, correct now. So Ram appointed a manager and Ram will pay what salary to manager to run this business, correct? Understood? Means after 2-3 years, this business become very big. Big means it become a profit making business. Profit making business. Are you able to understand what I am saying? Profit making business. 2-3 साल में this business become very large. करेक्ट प्रॉफिट मेकिंग बन गया बताओ ड्यू टू एफर्ट ऑफ राम कि ड्यू टू एफर्ट ऑफ मैनेजर ये बताओ ड्यू टू एफर्ट ऑफ राम कि ड्यू टू एफर्ट ऑफ मैनेजर मिस्टर रावण ये बताओ नो आई थिंक इज इट ओके वीडियो केम आ चुका है वीडियो बोलो ड्यू टू एफर्ट ऑफ राम कि ड्यू टू एफर्ट ऑफ मैनेजर एवरीवन very good manager now what happened this manager dies so there is a death of manager correct understood due to some what accident etc correct now this manager dies so that everyone death of manager my question to you all this death of manager will affect the profit of the business or not of course we can appoint a new manager instead you can sorry we can appoint a new manager in place of Ravan correct but my question to you all ki Ravan was very much efficient and due to the effort of Ravan, the profit become what? Profit increases. So can I say due to death of manager, can I say profit of business will be affected? Means the financial position of the business will be affected? Bolo yes or no? Financial position of the business will be affected. Financial position of the business will be affected. Very good. Will be affected. Means the condition number 1 of financial transaction satisfied. But the question is that whether death of manager can be expressed, whether it can be expressed in terms of money, can be expressed in terms of money. बोलो क्या इस डेथ को हम मनी वैल्यू में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं बोलो कैन बी एक्सप्रेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी of course it can be expressed in terms of emotions but it cannot be expressed in terms of money correct so it cannot be expressed in terms of money therefore even though death of manager might affect the financial position of the entity but हम कहीं रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते हैं कि our manager dies because of that our profit will decrease ऐसा कहीं पर भी रिकॉर्ड करने की जरूरत नहीं है तो it is not a financial transaction therefore will not be recorded so only we record the transactions which can be expressed in money value have you understood this much itna samjhe correct I think no doubt with this no doubt so